Okay, I'm going to show you how to put the green border around this image and how to link this image to the Read It page. So let's click Edit here, and I'm going to click on this cell. I'm going to go to Table, Cell Properties, Advanced, and I'm going to take this hex code off, and I'm going to put it on this cell. Advanced background color. So this makes the background of this cell that green color. Now, when the green border is around the image, that means we're currently on that page. So this Read It button does not have a link back to the Read page. So let's add that link. So we're going to click on the image. We're going to click this little key, chain link, course link, and we're going to look for the correct page. So it's the second design, Read It. I'm going to close this. So now we have a green border here with no link, and we've got no green border and a link to the correct page. I'm going to hit Save. And now we can go back to the Read It page. So here's my Read It page. Now I'm going to edit and add the link to my Hear It page. And it's the second design. And I'm going to click Save. And now I can click back and forth between these two pages. Here's the Hear It, and here's the Read It.